How to assemble this Rio 002 tricycle. The box of the tricycle include the main body, wheel set, seat, front basket, parental handle set, movement rod. Take out the wheel pin from the frame by pressing the button at the bottom of the frame. Insert the rear wheel into the frame. Place the wheel cover. Repeat the same on the other side. Now place the front wheel and front basket as shown in the video. Place the front handle as shown. Fix the movement rod with the front handle with the help of a nut. Place parental handle to flute pipe as shown in the video. Fix seat to main body with help of nuts. Now this Tricycle 002 is ready for your baby to use.